Valentine's Day Fig Balsamic Taralli. This Valentine's Day, surprise your loved one with a unique dessert. This special treat is sure to awaken all your taste buds with its interesting sweet and tart notes of white chocolate and fig balsamic. And if you are not someone who enjoys cooking, you will appreciate how easy and quick this recipe is. Ingredients: Taralli, 1 bar white chocolate for melting, red vermicelli to decorate, as many as you like, fig balsamic. Preparation. As already mentioned, this recipe is really easy. Simply follow the steps below and you should be ready in under 30 minutes. First, start by taking the white chocolate out of the packaging and breaking it into pieces. Next, melt the chocolate using the double boiler method over your hob. This involves placing a stainless steel bowl over a pot with boiling water and let the heat melt the chocolate. Make sure you mix every now and then and take off the heat when the chocolate has melted completely. While the chocolate melts, prepare a plate with red vermicelli or sprinkles. Next, prepare your serving plate and sprinkle a few red vermicelli for decoration purposes. Take the white chocolate off the heat. Prepare the taralli to be dipped in white chocolate, and start dipping one by one. Transfer the white chocolate taralli over the red sprinkles and coat one side. If you prefer, you can cover both sides with the chocolate and red sprinkles. Layer the decorated taralli on your serving plate. Drizzle the fig balsamic and enjoy with a glass of champagne. Tips: if you don't like fig, you can replace the fig balsamic with this orange balsamic. As it's winter, you can store these outside the fridge, or if you prefer you can keep them refrigerated. If you love your sweets, this is a great option to precede a more filling cake.